The Throttle Upgrade Kit can be bought with 4 tube options. The plastic tube, the quick turn, the stock, and the tamer option. On this particular bike, we have installed the throttle upgrade system. This happens to be a 2019 Husqvarna. In 2017, KTM and Husqvarna went to a different style throttle housing. And the reason for the upgrade kit is the OEM style does not use a pulley anymore. So when you're twisting the throttle, the cable is pulled, and the cable is pulled against the aluminum, which makes a grinding, makes the pull hard. By doing the throttle upgrade, this is incorporated with a pulley. It makes the pull 30 to 50% lighter in pull, gives it a nice snap, and the upgrade kit comes with a cable that would have to be changed at the time of the upgrade.